Hello everybody, in today's video I'm talking about DYM coin, a new listed coin and Binance guys. So if you want this video complete, it's a very important video for all of you guys. First of all, I recommend to join my free Telegram group guys. You know what, if you want to get free signal guys, so join my Telegram group. I also give you a call for buying DYM coin on my Telegram group. So obviously now if you're my Telegram member, you are printing money from DYM coin guys. 2400 plus the price pump in last 24 hours. So massive signal I give you about DYM coin guys. So that's why you know what guys, if you're losing money in crypto guys, if you don't know how to trade, and if you want to trade with me, so it's completely free. Join now my Telegram group, link is available in video description, and start making money with us guys. Currently DYM coin is pumped very well guys, and very massive pump in a DYM coin. But unfortunately now, according to my own view guys, there is scenario that the price decrease for a little time period guys. The price will dump for a short time period because there is no volume now. There is no volume in a DYM coin guys. So that's why we are again expecting a short dump in a DYM coin, and then again we are expecting a pump guys. Thanks for watching guys. For more latest update about DYM coin, tell me in the comment box, and currently I recommend to sell DYM coin.